Guys, idol, ngayon pag-usapan naman natin yung tungkol sa Section 7 of Republic Act 10591, otherwise known as Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act dated 2013. This is during the time of former President Benigno Aquino III. Now, this Section 7 of RA 10591 was further amended by Republic Act 11766 dated 2022 during the time of the administration of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ano yung sinasaad sa Section 7 na inamend ng Republic Act 11766? Ito'y patungkol sa permit to carry firearm outside resident. Alam naman natin na ito ay magsisilbing pribilehiyo sa lahat ng mga gun owner na pwede nilang dalhin, ilabas ang kanilang armas, baril mula sa kanilang bahay papunta sa iba't ibang destinasyon dito sa ating bansa. At ito po ay may validity na 2 years. And this kind of permit shall be issued only by the Chief PNP or her or her duly authorized representative to all person qualified sa requirements. Now, ano yung requirements na sinasabi ng batas na ito? Yung tinatawag na Threat Assessment Certificate. Kailangan na yung applicant ma-prove nila na mayroong actual imminent danger, actual threat to life sa kanilang profession, occupation, or business. Ulitin ko po, it is the burden of the applicant para i-prove sa PNP na mayroong imminent danger or threat to life sa kanilang profession, business, occupation. And then, the concerned PNP unit shall issue within 15 days yung tinatawag na Threat Assessment Certificate sa higher office ng PNP. For the purpose of this act, mayroong mga tao na exempted sa tinatawag na Threat Assessment Certificate based on the nature of their profession, occupation, and business. So, sino-sino sila? Una po guys, idol, is yung members of the bar. Yung mga lawyers, abogado, members of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines. Pangalawa is yung Certified Public Accountant, yung mga CPA. Pangatlo guys, idol, is yung mga accredited media practitioner. Pang-apat, yung mga cashier or bank tellers. Pang-lima is yung mga priest, minister, rabbi, imams. Yung mga leader ng mga churches or religions personalities. Pang-anim is yung physicians and nurses. Pang-pito is engineers. Pang-siyam, yung mga businessmen who, by the nature of their business or undertaking, are exposed to high risk or being target of criminal element. Pang-sampo guys, idol, is yung mga elected incumbent and former officials. At yung pang-11, pang-last, is yung mga active and retired military and law enforcement personnel. So guys, idol, maraming salamat po sa panonood at sana nakatulong po yung aking vlog content na ginawa. Nag-research po ako tungkol po sa sinasabi ng batas na ito, tungkol po sa issuance ng permit to carry firearms outside resident. So guys, idol, sa muli, tutok lang po kayo for my next video. Maraming salamat!